Good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Anyway, I need to write a little bit with my story before I go back to my work. I need to put my photo here where I need to attach a photo about what I'm telling in my story. This is my I need to insert a photo here. Anyway guys, I need to attach photo what I'm telling here, the photo that I'm here. Ano ba yung where did I wait here pala may gusto pala I need to attach a photo here, insert photo. Anyway guys, I just write a little bit before I continue my work. Okay, it's not here. It's in menu. Where's my new folder? New folder here. Okay, and this one. Photo 40. Why cannot where's my camera? Here. This is this one. Photo 40. In here, why? I cannot this one. So hard. Cannot cancel. I need to insert the photo there. Insert photo. Picture. This one. See this one. Okay. Vision and Computer Microsoft that photo to insert that where I see the that I'm studying. I'm studying while working. See, I need to photo here. Insert a photo here. Cannot move. I need to make a small photo. Small size of photo. See more. I need some left, right. I need small only, not too much big. And only small left, right, inside. I need alignment. I cannot transfer that. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, share, follow my FB and heart, and also share and subscribe. Thank you very much. You see what I'm doing. I need to insert a photo of my book. What I'm writing there, need to put my photo. What I'm telling in the story, I need to put photo there. See, that's my I'm writing my own life story, and I need to insert a photo here. See, I need to make the photo small and move only small size. See, that's I want to publish. I'm planning to publish that one and put it in the book. That's all guys. Thank you very much. I hope you like my content. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and heart. Thank you. Happy Monday everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye.